Best deals. 1. Pressure cooker. Built with high-performance tri-ply stainless steel, ensuring even heat distribution, energy efficiency, and long-lasting durability. No hot spots, just perfect cooking every time. The step design prevents spills, while the built-in cavity under the whistle stores steam for better pressure control and flavor retention. Stay cool phenolic handles provide a comfortable, secure grip. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Tea infusers. With a large capacity basket allows leaves to expand completely, releasing their full flavor without murkiness. Can hold more loose. Tea also is easy to clean and leaves no residue. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Rack. With built-in strong magnet design, it only needs to be directly adsorbed on the side of the refrigerator, without drilling or gluing. Easy to install and move, without damaging the surface of the refrigerator. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Wall hooks. Can be used for hanging spoon, towels, gloves, knife and fork, pan, pot, keys in your kitchen, bathroom door, bedroom closets and other places. Create valuable storage space and save a whole cabinet space with this rail installed on your wall. Magic Sticker strong adhesiveness protects against water and provides extra strength and durability, has load capacity of up to 5 kg. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Paniyaram pan. Pure iron ore material heats quickly and also retains heat for longer, saving cooking gas. Heavy gauge construction for extra thickness and durability. Simple seasoning technique helps create a chemical-free non-stick surface over a period of time. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Organizers. Premium quality transparent PVC storage organizer bag for innerwear, leggings, dupatta, scarf, vest and many more. Organizer keeps the garments damage-free, clean and new for years. Utilize your leftover wardrobe space to neatly organize small garments. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Containers. Airtight plastic container for kitchen use, keeps food fresh longer with vacuum seal technology. Perfect for dry snacks, leftovers, fruits, and more. Ideal kitchen accessories item for home use. Vacuum containers effectively increase the shelf life of vegetables, fruits, snacks, grains, powders, and even medicines by removing air and moisture. Top press pump removes air in seconds, helping to preserve food freshness and taste. No electricity or external device needed. Safe for daily food storage. Made from durable, reusable BPA-free plastic. Design. Compact and stackable design helps organize your fridge or kitchen shelf efficiently. Fits easily in limited storage space. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Dustbin. Easily dispose of waste without lifting a lid, perfect for hassle-free use and quick cleaning. Ideal for the kitchen, bathroom, and under sink. Hang it on cabinet doors or use as a standalone bin. Made from high-quality ABS plastic, 100% food grade, and BPA-free, ensuring safety and durability. Equipped with a built-in handle for easy transport, smooth surface allows for effortless cleaning. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Water dispenser. Made from thick, food-grade clear glass for durability, safety, and elegant presentation. Ideal for daily home use as well as cafes and restaurants. Smooth flow, leak-resistant tap with a secure airtight lid to prevent spills and keep beverages fresh for longer periods. Ideal for detox water, fresh juice, lemonade, iced tea, cocktails, mocktails, and infused drinks. One dispenser for every occasion. Dishwasher-safe glass jar with a removable tap for quick and hygienic cleaning. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Containers. The modern design features an anti-skid base, airtight lids and a transparent upper half, allowing you to stylishly and conveniently see the contents of the bowl. Introducing the most versatile, earth-friendly, sustainable storage container with a dual surface. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Ironing mat. The cushioned surface provides an ideal area for your steam iron, while an iron rest protector keeps your work area safe. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Containers. Designed for versatility, this container boasts a sleek, conical shape that not only looks modern but also optimizes space. Its durable stainless steel construction ensures long-lasting performance, while the glossy finish adds a touch of elegance. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Food processor. All-in-one multi-functionality 6 kitchen appliances in one. Say goodbye to cluttered countertops and multiple appliances. The Easy Prep food processor combines the power of 6 essential kitchen tools into one compact device. Use it as a blender, juicer, atta kneader, vegetable slicer, chopper, and dry grinder. Whether you are preparing smoothies, kneading dough, chopping veggies, or grinding spices, this all-in-one appliance does it all with professional precision, making it the ultimate companion for every home chef. With its robust 800-watt copper motor, the Easy Prep tackles everything from soft fruits to tough dough effortlessly. Designed for long-lasting durability, the motor ensures high-speed processing and consistent output. Whether you're whisking, slicing, or grinding, this processor delivers powerful and efficient performance every time. Built-in overheat safety protection ensures the device automatically shuts off if it gets too hot, adding an extra layer of safety. 7 specialized attachments for precision cooking. Get perfect results with a wide range of interchangeable blades and tools, including slicing disc, French fries blade, shredding, chopping blade, atta kneading, whisking and 1.4L processing bowl. Every attachment is engineered for accuracy and convenience, making meal prep faster and more enjoyable. 2 speed control with pulse function for total flexibility. Take full control of your recipes with 2 speed settings and a pulse mode. Use low speed for soft ingredients like dough or creams, high speed for tougher items like nuts or carrots, and pulse mode for quick bursts of power, perfect for tasks like precision chopping or mixing. Stylish, durable and compact design with premium build, crafted by and designed in collaboration with Taurus Group Spain, this food processor combines performance with aesthetics. The sleek black housing, ergonomic control knob, and sturdy construction reflect modern style and reliable build quality. Its compact size ensures it fits easily in most kitchens, while still offering high capacity and power. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Makeup Organizer. Crafted from sturdy material, this transparent pouch is waterproof, dust-proof, and resistant to scratches, offering reliable protection for your items during travel or daily use. Keep your essentials organized with separate compartments, an airtight section for dry items and a breathable mesh compartment for wet clothes or towels. Product link is given in the 14th link.